Hello everyone, I am Satyam Tripathi. I am from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. I have completed my MBA in finance with a vision to start my career in core finance profile. I joined a 3 months of training program provided by Investment Banking Institute, Delhi. Today, I'm thrilled to announce that with the mentorship of Mr. Manoj Kumar sir and Mr. Ankur Gaur sir, I got placed as a financial analyst at a reputed company, where Manoj sir taught me how to prepare various types of financial models, their valuations, project finance, and lot of stuffs. And Ankur sir always taught me how to make myself more presentable. So I think without them, it won't be possible for me as a fresher to get into this core finance profile. So if you guys are watching this video and if you guys want to start your career in core finance profile, just check out their official website for the course detail. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.